Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. In this tutorial we are gonna make our extra life system. So last video we made our coins and coin widget like this. As you can see, we can collect 210 coins. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna change this life like Mario games. So 100 coin is a life. Okay, so what we need to do, first we need the text to our widget, and also I'm gonna add an image. So I don't have image right now, so I'm gonna use this defaults. And what we need an integer. I'm gonna call it life count. Okay, so in our text, let's create our binding. I'm gonna let's cast to our player, cast to third person character, get player character, get life coin, life count, and return. So our widget is ready right now. So when we are gonna change this life count, we can use our add coin event. So I'm gonna fire this life count on there. Okay, so first what we need to do, we need to check if our coin is greater than 100. So after the animation, okay, let's check if it is greater than. If it is true, what we need to do, we need to increment this integer. So as default, I'm gonna change this to. Okay, let's try. As you can see, our life count is increasing, but we don't change this coin, so we have to change, because normally it has to be 4, but in our test is increased as 7. So let's set this coin. Let's get this coin also. Increase, subtract 100 and set. Let's try again. As you can see, our coin turns 0 and our life is increased. So it seems quite good. Right now this life count doesn't have any function, but we have the math. Okay, so I hope you like it. See you next time.